This is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning, and we're at Chocorua Woods, unit number 15. Pulled the toilet, snaked and removed a heavy soft clog, back-to-back toilets. Clog was roughly at about 9 feet out. I believe part of the inside main started to clear unless I shot by it because it totally dropped at 16 feet, but it could have just been a big slug plug of paper between the two units. So I'm going to pull the camera back to the pulled toilet in unit number 15. I see the inside lining of the pipe, and it looks like another part of the pipe over there where they did a reinstatement. Looks a little rough on the choppy side. Didn't really smooth it down, but it's functioning. So here we go. Right here, we're seeing the connection here. It appears to be a little bit of a sag inside the pipe or some settling because we're underwater and we shouldn't have any water. I don't have any water running. Yeah, so she's holding a little bit of water, so she's going to be a little slow with solids and paper coming up. The wire you're seeing there is my flex shaft. As you can see, she's pooling and holding some water right there, so she's forming a belly in the pipe with the settling in the building. I'll slide you a little bit more right there and come right out. That is my flex shaft cable there. We're making another turn right here. That's my flex shaft breaking to the left. And we are coming up out of the flange. That concludes the cleaning and inspection.